What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you, what's goody, what's good? Hey guys, man, it's another beautiful Sunday. It's another beautiful day that we were blessed to see. But I wanted to talk to you guys about the Fearless Momma 2.0. Give you a quick review of it and what I think about it and why I chose to be a part of this, guys. It took me a while to jump in this, because I don't know, I'm not, like I said, I don't like jumping in all the new stuff or anything like that unless there's some good value in something. And I actually took some time out to pay attention and looked at all the value that was being given from all the platform, from all the ad training that's being offered, from the community itself, the help that's involved in the community. And I said, you know what? That's something that I want to be involved in. If I'm going to bring people into a business, or if I'm going to bring them into this online space, I want them to be comfortable. I want them to know that I brought them into a good community. And not saying that I don't do that, but that is how I choose my programs. For you guys that are involved in the Conversion Pros, for you guys know that the Conversion Pros group, I mean, literally trainings every day. People are getting welcomed in the Conversion Pros every day. If there's a question, it's getting answered. It's so much support in the group, guys. So that's why those type of programs I will always promote, because of the community that's there, and it's going to help people. Sometimes people just need a couple questions answered. Sometimes people just need the simplest thing shown to them, for them to just get it, for the light bulb to just go boom, and they got it. And that's what I like putting people in these type of programs. It's easy for me to talk about, oh, this type of skin cream, or I can talk about this weight loss supplement and so on like that. But not everybody's working out, guys. Let me not everybody's concerned about their skin, so people don't know how to target those type of guys or anything. And the same as with network marketing, it's all about targeting as well, which we show you how to do. We show you how to do Craigslist ads that's going to get engagement. We show you how to do a Facebook post on your business page that's going to literally be on complete autopilot. So the thing is that most people, they'll jump in something and they don't have that support. They don't have that type of system set up for them to be successful and for them to succeed in. And that's why I love things like this, guys, because that support system, the Zoom meetings that we do, those are things that a lot of people are not doing. So if you can ever get involved in something where they're going to do the meetings and do the closing for you, they're going to have masterminds of new training of what's working. If you don't have that, you're going to have a hard time. You're going to have a hard time online. So that is why that's one of the reasons why you should be a part of the Fearless Momma 2.0. What I'm going to be offering as well for those that join me, I'm going to give you an additional bonus training for social media ads, from YouTube ads, Instagram ads, and Facebook ads. Also, I'm going to give you a training that's inside of it here. We're going to give you a little bit of Facebook as well, which is the Manny Chat. So for everybody that want to get their business on autopilot with Facebook, the Manny Chat is what you really want to be locked into, man. And I got a quick little training here that I got from one of my buddies here that we're helping people with. All right, so you're going to get that as an added bonus when you join me in this program as well, guys. So success is on you, okay? I'm pointing you in the direction where you should go. I'm pointing you in something where... Also, if I didn't mention this, guys, if you don't have a marketing system already, we have a done-for-you marketing system for you, where they will follow up with the leads for you. You will also get those leads. You will get notified each time that the lead does go into your email that they've opted in, so you can still reach out to those particular leads through your Gmail as well. Just as an FYI, now some people like to funnel their own leads so they can send out their own messages multiple times, where they can email a little bit more. So it's totally up to you. For you guys that do have a budget, I do have marketing systems in place as well that you can utilize here. I'm going to eventually shoot a video later tonight showing you one of those at my destination. So I wanted to wrap this video on up. So, if you're interested in earning unlimited $250 deposits into your PayPal or your Stripe account, one-time payment, no admin fees, no monthly recurring fees with the program. It's literally one and done. So I'm gonna wrap this video on up. I want you to take a look at everything so you can check it all out. Let me know what you think. You're going to get the bonus training as well with the social media ads, from Facebook ads, YouTube, Instagram. I'm also covering some mini chat. So guys, the sky is the limit, okay? I have to mention that again. I want you to succeed. So this your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.